As I welcome you, I want to assure you that the government of St. Kitts and Nevis, in collaboration with CARPHA, is hosting this 63rd Annual Research Conference. And I'm indeed pleased that we were able to partner with CARPHA to host this conference at this time when we in St. Kitts and Nevis have taken steps to establish a mechanism for delivering health care for all under a universal health program. Sustainable health systems for economic growth and development and wealth has been chosen as the theme for this year. The theme envisages discussions on such issues as health insurance systems, health financing and financial implications for individuals, for institutions, and nation states that are pursuing universal health coverage for all. And the theme suggests economic growth and wealth will be derived. And I think that will be derived when we are successful in delivering value to care receivers, value also to caregivers, value in terms of satisfaction, happiness, fulfillment, joy in the workplace, and joy for those who are patient or impatient. Value is further achieved, to my mind, when national determined goals align with regional and global goals. Goals that bring focus to cure rather than to lifelong treatment. The healthcare system and the public health infrastructure in our region are in need of strengthening and better financing. We need human resource capacity to address the important question of why there is an escalation of chronic diseases in an otherwise more educated community of individuals. We need to answer the question, why are children being diagnosed with diabetes, despite the vast knowledge of the factors that causes this disease? Clearly, we are in need of more research work in the area of health systems capacity, efficiency, and financing, so that the data that would be generated from such work would help us make evidence-based policies at the national level. Regarding health financing, we are already in the process of developing an appropriate national health insurance scheme which will make healthcare accessible to all citizens and residents residing in our federation. Universal health coverage has been set as the umbrella goal for the health sector of St. Kitts and Nevis. And to make this a reality, we have partnered with the University of the West Indies Health Economics Unit to ensure delivery within the next few months. And I challenge the designers to ensure that there is a healthy focus on cultivating prevention. Any responsible society must focus on the curative aspects of health. But I still have to underscore the point that largely financial and economic gains are derived from the preventative side of the health care equation. In that regard, I encourage greater attention to nutrition and exercise as part of the preventive approach to maintaining good health. In our region today, there is no good reason why our legislation does not recognize chiropractors and naturopathic doctors. Largely, it seems, we are herded by those who are more rich and powerful than we are, whose agenda is probably more riches. This, of course, in our region and globally, deserves a new thinking, one that says to us, bring focus to prevention. That prevention is less intrusive. That prevention is less costly. That prevention helps reduce NCDs, and that prevention improves sustainability, which leads to economic growth. I note the intent to have research papers in such priority areas as NCD, HIV, health systems, etc. And so I therefore hope that the research presentations will stimulate and boost more research work locally, and that the setting will provide a forum, this setting, and for the next 2 days, provide a forum for networking and for the establishment of partnership and collaborations which will last for many years to come. My government feels privileged to be partnering with CARPHA in hosting this auspicious event. Therefore, I welcome you wholeheartedly to St. Kitts and Nevis, and I trust that you will have a successful session over the next few days, and that you would take time to enjoy the most sought-after destination in the Eastern Caribbean.
Stay up to date with news, programs, and activities of the government with SKNIS. Like us on Facebook. Listen to us on SoundCloud. Follow us on Twitter. And watch our videos on YouTube. Connect with us today. SKNIS, St. Kitts and Nevis Information Service.